Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. This recipe is for Catfish Escabeche, which was inspired by the fact that I am honorary Caribbean. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is cut your vegetables. Here I have 2 mini bell peppers, a quarter onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Once you get that all nicely chopped, set it to the side so we can start working on our flour. This is rice flour, which keeps it gluten-free, and you want to season that, and the seasonings I will put in the recipe. The next thing we want to do is get the fish evenly coated so you get that crispy, crunchy exterior all the way around. And once you do that, heat ½ inch of oil in a pan over medium-high heat so you can add your fish. As you can see here, I've added my fish and cooked it for 4 minutes so it's golden brown. I'll flip it over, repeat, and then set it to the side to drain. In a clean pan, we then add 1 tablespoon of oil and all of our vegetables that we chopped earlier. And once they're added, you want to stir them around to get them evenly coated. Cook them down for 1 minute. Then we'll work on our escabeche sauce, which is 1/3 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, that's kosher salt, and then 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorn. Stir that around to make sure everything gets incorporated, and then bring it to a boil for 1 minute. After it's boiled for 1 minute, we can add our fish, and then you want to immediately turn off the heat and cover. Once you've had it covered for 1 minute, remove it from the pan and add it to your plate. On my plate, I had coconut lime rice, which keeps it Caribbean. And then I added those vegetables that we cooked down earlier. And my favorite part is pouring the sweet and sour escabeche on top and then devouring it, which you can do also. Thank you for watching.